Hi, I'm Rocco Beatrice. I'm Managing Director for State Street Partners. Every once in a while we get a call. They want to know more about foreign asset protection. More specifically, the Foreign Asset Protection Trust. They're the strongest you can possibly buy because they don't have a relationship to the United States. A United States litigant usually has to go offshore where they don't have any power whatsoever. So if you're in offshore, you're under the rules of that particular country, and more specifically, you can only hire an attorney from that country. And if that attorney is doing business with non or U.S. people, that's the only business they're ever going to do, and they're not going to do much business. Offshore Asset Protection Trust is created for the purpose of limiting a potential creditor to try to get to your assets in situations where in the United States it's almost impossible to get a fair judgment. Take the example, for example, a doctor who is a neurosurgeon. Well, neurosurgery, how can you prove or disprove that the surgeon was liable? And if you have a surgeon who has $10 million worth of assets, it doesn't matter what he's going to put up as a defense because they see him as the individual that has far too much money, and he is the individual that's been damaged. So what do you think a court of his peers is going to do? They're going to award money, whether or not it's right or wrong. Therefore, a Foreign Asset Protection Trust, for this particular purpose, is more likely to be something that he needs in order to preserve his wealth as opposed to what may happen here in the United States. Offshore Asset Protection Trust, you are in your country. You are specifically adopted, and that's the only business that they do. When you do an offshore protection trust, no lawyer is going to take a case because the requirements are so strict that you have to bring all your witnesses there. And if it's a big enough case, the more likely that the judge is ever going to hear that case is very unlikely because the judge is going to be postponing, and so you're going to bring everybody down. Offshore Asset Protection Trust, another type of asset protection. If you need it, you have to have sufficient assets because the costs are exorbitant and current laws don't particularly like the fact that you're bringing your money out of the United States. This is Rocco Beatrice. For this particular article, please call me directly at State Street Partners. Thank you.